I woke up about, I don't know, 1 o'clock in the morning, and I could see a light through my back door, and I came out here and my bicycle light was turned on. I don't know, I turned it off, but now I don't know how it got turned on, if the rainstorm turned it on. Yeah. Nasty. Bill Goudy checking in. Day 2 of my adventure. Looks like the storm has passed and everything's headed towards the east. And I'm going to be heading a little further south and more towards the east. So I should just be behind the storm. Just what I wanted. Alright, well, I don't know what the day will hold, but I got to get camp broke up now and get moving. So what I want to do is show you my, I got a little water in here. This is a scrub bud. Yeah, it's stainless steel. It's all stainless steel. This is my camp made grill, and you can see it's been used. I used it yet last night. So what I go through and just scrub it off with a stainless steel brush. This is all, like, I don't know if it's chrome plated or stainless steel or what, but it's real easy to clean. And this is how I do it. I also have a brush. I have a finger brush that I can use if I need it. I don't think I will on this occasion, but sometimes when you're doing barbecue, you might even want to use a brush. But it's just that easy, and it cleans up so nice. And then I'll spread a little bit of water on it and a little bit of soap. Just wipe her dry, and that's all there is to it. I'm telling you, cleans up so nice. It's real easy, and you know, it's almost as good as new. I almost forgot. Yeah, Don, M.I. Woodsman, from Michigan, is having a contest, and I think it's just about over. In fact, by the time you see this, it probably will be over by the time I get this posted. But I wanted to show him some support and give him a shout out. And I'm sure a lot of my subs are already subbed to John. He is just an awesome supporter and has some great video and some good content. And you just need to go over there and check him out. Tell him Bill Goudy sent you. Thank you, John. Thank you for all you do, my friend. I'm telling you, it has turned out to be a beautiful day. Bill Goudy checking in. I'm in Kentucky. Let me think. Taylorsville, Kentucky State Park. $23.40 a night to stay here. And it's got electrical and water and a dump station. And it's nice. It really is. It looks like they get quite a few people coming through here. There's quite a few places reserved for this next week. But yeah, it's nice. I'm here at the right time. There's a few other campers. They have a nice shower house. I don't know if you can see over there. Yeah. Nice level lots. Yeah, the wind's coming up. We still got that tropical storm coming through, waves after wave. And they're saying a chance of some severe weather tonight. I'm hoping they're wrong. Check this out. I got that from Corey. I'll put a link down below. I think it's Corey. He sent me a care package with a whole bunch of stuff in it. And I've been gone, you know, and been doing other things. Well, I finally got this. And I got some wild hog on that grill right there. Got some wild hog going. And since it's windy and everything, I got it wrapped in foil packing, and I got I turned my bowl up over the top of that. And then I got a vegetable pack in there also, and I seasoned it with that. I'm sure hoping that's good. I'm gonna have not only the pork is seasoned with that, but the wild pork is seasoned with that, but the vegetables are seasoned with that as well. I think it's time for me to get the priorities straight. What do you think? It's been a long day. It sure has. I'm getting about 17 channels on the free-to-air TV. A lot of the channels are from Louisville or the surrounding area. I saw some guys cleaning fish down there, so I'm thinking they're catching fish in Taylorsville Lake. And once again, I like to have a boat. I saw a boat ramp. I saw a lot of access to it, but I'm only here for the night. I'm just passing through, but you know, this would be well worth coming back. I got about 2.5 more hours to go to reach Grant's house, and I'm looking forward to that. I sure am. Not again. We're getting a little bit of, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's sprinkling. Not as bad as it was last night, but it's definitely hot and muggy. And yeah, it's raining. Well, I'm hoping those will get done here pretty soon. I better get my charcoal in and out of the rain. What a difference about 30 minutes makes. Yeah, everything's wet, but this is still hot. It's still cooking. That's just what I want too. All right. Yeah, look at that. Cloudy, partly cloudy. Yeah, you know, I can tell you, there aren't any Verizon signals here. Nope, you get about 17 television channels, but you sure don't get any internet off of Verizon. That's for sure. Look. You're gonna hear me say it. Look at the goodness. Oh. Wild pork. That's what that is, wild pork. Some onions, some mushrooms, some peppers, sweet peppers, no hot, nothing hot. We're going to use, yeah, already did, Everglade seasoning, and it's Casey, not Corey. Casey sent that to me. Yeah, among other, many other things. I'll put a link to his channel down below. And I think Jonathan asked if I ever use that. I'll put a link to Jonathan. Jonathan doesn't make any videos, but yeah, he watches a lot and comments a lot. So let's dig into that, shall we? Will you look at the goodness? You heard me. You heard me say it. Look at that. Wild pork with, look at this, Everglade seasoning. Tender. Oh, smoky flavor. Let's use the EMT rail fan opener on this one. Will you look at this? Yeah, see if I can remember how to use that. Oh, look at that. Look at the goodness. Mm. Oh, thank you, Little Helper and EMT Rail Fan. That is awesome. Listen, this all looks so good that I'll tell you what, that Everglade seasoning is excellent. Let's try it on the veggies. I'm not sure what all it has in there, but it sure is good. And tender. Oh, that is so good. Listen. 7:17. Sun's still shining, but I'm going to eat this, and I'm going to get up early tomorrow. Well, I'm going to get up tomorrow, and I'm going to go to Grant's house. That's on my agenda. Come along, check it out. Thanks for watching so far. Goudy out.